So crazy right now. Most incredibly, it's your girl, B.
Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you are a returning subscriber, so nice to have you back. Don't forget to give this video a like and don't forget to give a comment. In today's video, I'll be doing this gorgeous, quick and easy glueless install from Beaufox hair. This gorgeous wig is from Beaufox, and they went ahead and sent me their deep wave wig unit. It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig unit in 26 inches, and I will have the rest of the specs in the description box below. But so far so good. I am loving this hair. It's very much living up to the deep wave texture. It is 100% dried down, so this is what you are going to get from Beaufox in terms of density, and I'm living for it. So in today's video, I showed you guys how I did this glueless install using about 2 products as well as the Beaufox lace band. So if you'd like to see how I did this install, just stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead and check the links in the description box below, and let's jump into today's tutorial.
Young, you ready? So crazy right now. So deep in your eyes, I touch you more every time. I'm begging you to go. Call your name 2-3 times in the row. It's a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling in the pride is the one to blame. Cause I know I don't understand. Just like you love and don't know what you can. Tell me looking so crazy right now. 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 Tell me looking you praise me right now. Tell me looking you save me right now. Looking so crazy your love. Got me looking so crazy your love.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bored myself, can you come and fuck me? I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, carry on. Arguments you carry on. Tripping about your whereabouts, I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no static with you, you know you my thug, and I get sick just having love. I've been down, baby, every reminiscing, every other missing you, wish it was different than what it was. I've been down, baby, lost in the line first, lost ain't no finding us. I've been down, baby. And if you wonder if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your rider, you mishandle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm not so violent with line. I've been out, baby. If you wonder if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make it feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make it feel just like this.
All done with my hair, and this gorgeous unit is from Beaufox hair. The box they sent me was really gorgeous, and of course they sent the basics, the lace melt band, the wig cap, the HD wig cap, and edge brush, as well as this gorgeous headband. So because I did a flip over method, this is perfect to wear. I can pull my hair back. I love how simple and easy this was. This gorgeous unit is actually from Beaufox hair. They went ahead and sent me their gorgeous deep wave hair in 26 inches, and it is in a 13x4 lace frontal wig unit. So it's a frontal, and of course, as you can see, we have a whole bunch of minimalistic edges going on, and I love it. It is 100% glueless, because as I used this, it is pretty much the same thing as the black lace adhesive spray bottle. So the black lace spray can practically come off with the push of a comb, so you don't necessarily need much, and you are not going to have that extreme hold that you would have versus using some lace glue. So if you're looking for something super beginner friendly as well as something really manageable, this is definitely the wig unit for you, and this is definitely the glueless method. You guys should definitely give a try out. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and don't forget to go ahead and check out the links to this gorgeous unit from Beaufox hair. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.